Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to BSG News. I'm your host Monica Chauhan, and let's look at the top stories for tonight. Scout and Guides meet Honorable President of India on Raksha Bandhan. Delegation of BSG in World Scout Conference at Egypt. 10 guides participated in Ceylon International Camp at Sri Lanka. Scout and Guides of Assam State took a part of competition at Rajya Bhavan. Independence Day was celebrated at Pan India. BS State Association conduct a course on their states. Now let's move to the brief news. President, on August 19, 2024, Scout and Guides from Jahanabad district, Bihar state had a privilege of meeting to the Honorable President of India on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. Her excitingly tied a rakhi on the Scout and Guides and offered them to blessings and making it a memorable and special celebration. Internationals, WASM. A delegation of Bharat Scout and Guides led by Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, AIS retired Chief National Commissioner, participated in 43rd Scout Conference on Cairo, Egypt from the August 17, 2024 to 23, 2024. Strategies of Scout were planned at the workshop along with the achievements of past titanium and seeds stage for future of Scouting, and Sri Madhusudan Avala, AD International Commissioner of Scout, was the Vice President of workshop. Chief National Commissioner shared a warm in charge with a foreign delegation. It's a matter of pride for the first time World Scout Bureau giving an International Leadership Award to the honor NSO promoting youth leadership decision making based on 6 criteria, including having a young members on their boards, nomination young candidates for the leadership role, and achieving high youth engagement scores. The Bharat Scout and Guides has received this award at the World Scout Conference. WAGS. 10 girl guide and 2 leaders represent Bharat Scout and Guides at Ceylon International Camp at Sri Lanka from 18 to 23rd of August 2024. National. The staff member of Bharat Scout and Guides celebrate a 78th Independence Day on August 15, 2024 at National Headquarters, New Delhi, National Training Center and National Adventure Institute, Panchmadi, National Adventure Institute, Kursaun, West Bengal, and National Youth Complex, Gadpuri, Haryana. It was a great moment for Bharat Scout and Guides delegation, a celebration Independence Day in the Indian Embassy at Cairo, Egypt. SDG. Ranger leader and Rover Scout leader who are doctor along with a medical student, Ranger Sri Sai Ram Medical College, Tamil Nadu, conduct a health harmony awareness campaign aligned with the SDG 3 under the leadership of Dr. Sai Prakashan Muthu, Chairman and CEO of DCC. Now let's move to the state news. Andhra Pradesh. 60 Scout and Guides of Andhra Pradesh State participated on a 78th Independence Day parade on a Vijayawada led by Sri Srinivasa Rao. Sri M. Vijayarama Raju, State Chief Commissioner, inspected a parade and Director General of Police present a appreciation certificate to the participant. The Tirupati and Chittor over the 150 Scout and Guides also participated on a parade under the local leadership of Sri Kupi Reddy, Vice President, and Sri Koteshwara Rao, ASOC. Arunachal Pradesh. The felicitation program for the medal winner of the 66th and 67th National School Games organized by the Director of Secondary Education Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, and August 19, 2024 at the auditorium of DH and TE Office, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. Bihar. On the occasion of Independence Day, the national flag and the Scout Guide flag hosted by Dr. Gopal Krishna Jha, Joint Director of the Region Education, Santhal Pragna Division at the district headquarters of Bharat Scout and Guides, Dumka, on the auspicious of occasion and parade and culture program was organized by the Scouts and Guides. Central Railway. Central Railway State conduct a community singing course at Central Railway School for Scout and Guides from 5 August 2024 to 8 August 2024 at SHO Mumbai under the leadership of Sri Manoj Nair, Associate Scout. 24 candidates attend the course. Guest of honor was Dr. Mahendra Gangad, CMS BV. Chhattisgarh. Rajya Puraskar Testing Camp of Scout was conducted at the 8th to 12th August 2024 at the Science College, Bilaspur under the leadership of Sri C.L. Chandrakar, Associate Scout, while the Guide Testing Camp was conducted under the leadership of Miss Karuna Masi, Associate Guide. The State Training Center, Jhanki, under the instructions of State Chief Commissioner of Bharat Scout and Guides, Dr. Somnath Yadav, Scout and Guides, Rover and Ranger, all district organized the Tiranga Yatra as a part of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Throughout the rally, they motivate residents and host the national flag at their homes. Goa. 32 Scout and Guides and 5 staff members of Setri Vidya Mandir, Brahmpur School, Padna district, Goa State participated on an outdoor activity 41 km to Kashinath Temple on the mountain on 10 August 2024. On August 13, 2024, Scout and Guides of St. Joseph High School, Karai Shiroda, Goa took a part on 3 km Tiranga Yatra from school to Shiroda Panchayat concluded at Karai. During the march, the Scout raised a slogan and educated the people about the significance and the Indian flag and patriotism. The Sarpanch and the Ward Panchayat member distribute the flag to everyone and provide refreshments. Gujarat. Member of Borsa Taluka, Gujarat State participated on Tiranga Yatra with Member of Parliament Mr. Mitesh Bhai Patel, Anand District President Mr. Rajesh Bhai Patel, District Collector Mr. Chaudhary and other dignitaries of attendance. The Scout and Guide of Pamul lead a march with their Scout band, joined a Scout and Guides from various schools, police zones and NCC cadets and Home Guard soldiers. Haryana. Scout and Rover of Chandrasekhar Azad Open Group Bhiwani District Haryana State organized the Tiranga Yatra. The Tiranga Yatra was started by the Deputy Commissioner Bhiwani and SDM Bhiwani by hosting the flag. On 18th of August 2024, the crew team counseling of Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri Open Group and Maricom Open Ranger team was organized at the office located at the railway station Sirsa. 30 fruit and shade plants planted on cleanliness campaign was conducted at the park premises under the program A Plant Mother's Name by the Rovers and Rangers present during the counseling. Himachal Pradesh. Scout and Guide of Government Senior Secondary School of Kalonwala Bur Sarmor District Association of Himachal Pradesh rendered their service in the block level under the 14 boy and girl tournament from 9 to 12 August 2024 at Kalon, Sarmor. Jammu and Kashmir. Shishu Mandir Public High School and Shri Guru Gobind Singh Public Senior Secondary School, Jammu District Association of Jammu and Kashmir State organized a drawing, Rakhi and kite making campaign on August 2 and August 5, 2024. Respectively, the program were conducted under the leadership of Neeru Talwar, JSCB. Kerala. The Scout and Guides team of Devmata HS Pesakarita Libramba District Association of Kerala State visited a Vilangar which was affected by the flood. They extend their support to the victims and the team witness of devastating effects for the Vietnam flood and landslide. With many struggling and survive, led by the Devmata Scout and Guides, they distribute study material to the affected students. Maharashtra. A disaster management training program was organized at the District Collector Office in Jalan District of Maharashtra. At the inauguration of training, District Collector Sri Krishna Panchal, District Disaster Management Officer Deepak Kaljalkar and other officials was present. 95 Scout and Guides and teachers participated in the training. Scout and Guide of India Culture English School Kalyan East celebrate the festival of Raksha Bandhan by tying the Rakhi to orphan children to the children home at Ulasnagar on 17th August 2024. Minzoram State Bharat Scout and Guides conduct a state councilling meeting on 7th August 2024 at the Chief Minister Conference Hall as well. It was chaired by the Pu Lalduhoma, Honorable Chief Minister and President of Minzoram State Bharat Scout and Guides. State Chief Commissioner Pu H. Lali Midhanga welcome. The member of important topic were discussed during the meeting, including consent to host the region mini Jambori at the Minzoram by the Honorable CM. The chairman thanks to all members for the active participation. North Central Railway. The member of headquarters group Subidarganj North Central Railway participated on a parade on occasion of Independence Day at the office of General Manager. Flag was hosted by the State Chief Commissioner and Senior Day of General Manager Shri V.K. Garg along with the Vice President and Chief Personal Officer Admin Shri Mudit Chandra and State Secretary Shri Mukesh Kushestra and other officers. Agra and Jhansi district also celebrate Independence Day. Northern Railway. Under the instructions of Northern Railway Headquarters, Scout and Guides, Moradabad Division, under the patronage of Shri Rajkumar Divisional Railway Manager and Chairman of under the instruction of Shri Paritosh Gautam, District Commissioner Scout, various competitions were organized on Muranganj Southern, Moradabad, which was the children brought a essay on made up paintings. 150 Scout and Guides Rover Ranger participated in these competitions. Odisha. Bulbul and Guides of Odisha State tied a Rakhi to Shri Mohan Chand Minji, Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Nityanand Gond, Minister of School and Mass Education, S.G. Prithviraj Harichandan, Minister of Law, Work, Excise Justice, Chakradhari Sharan Singh, Chief Justice High Court, Odisha, and other member of Legislature Bhubaneswar. Vice President Odisha State Bharat Scout and Guides, T. Prasad Rao Dora, Vice President of S.J. Manirajan Manthi, Vice President of S.J. Naveen Patnaik, former Chief Minister and State Chief Commissioner and National Vice President of Dr. Kali Prasad Mishra, Police Commissioner and other dignitaries were present. Rajasthan. The Jhunjhunu District Association of Rajasthan organized a district level Van Mahotsav as a part of Chief Minister Mega Plantation Drive. Member welcome Shri Avinash Gehlot and the Cabinet Minister of Social Justice and Employment. In the traditional way, about 500 Scout and Guides took a part on this program. Scout and Guide of Suraj International School Didwana participated in a major plantation program organized by the Forest Department at the Medaka, Bhairuji, Lasore, Deosa district, Rajasthan, where the district collector was the chief guest and the district superintendent of police was the special guest. Southern Railway. Southern Railway State Bharat Scout and Guide Tiruchirappalli district conduct a membership growth campaign on Mayiladuthurai and Chidambaram on 1st August 2024, led by Shri Mathimaran, Associate Scout, and Srimati Shalini Surendra, SOC Guide. Following this, the campaign continued in Tanjavur on August 2, 2024 with the same leadership. Southeastern Railway. The Andhra District Association of Southeastern Railway State organized the Tritiya Charan, Swarn Pank, Tritiya Sopan and Nipun testing camp at the district headquarters in Andhra from 4 to 6 August 2024. A workshop on smart surfing and global warming was organized by the Andhra District Association and Southeastern Railway at State on 11 August 2024. Member also participated in the plantation drive at Scout Day. South East Central Railway. On the occasion of International Youth Day, the Veer Azad Group of the Bilaspur District Association Southeastern Railway organized the Youth Awareness Program and Awareness Rally was held by the district headquarters to Bilaspur Railway Station. Additionally, the street play focused on the life, humanity, patriotism and global brotherhood was performed at the railway station. On the 14th August 2024, Danapur District Association participated and joined Tiranga Yatra with the East Central Railway, inaugurated by the District Railway Manager Danapur. About the 100 members participated in this rally. South Central Railway. Scout and Guides of Railway Mixed High School South Lalaguda participated in 78th Independence Day celebration held at a railway sports complex ground under the leadership of Sri T. D. Gauri Shankar Rao, SOC Scout. The South Central Railway, Sri Arun Kumar Jain, General Manager of the Railway Divisional and Grand Salute Sri P. Kishore Babu, State Chief Commissioner and Sri A. K. Rawat, State Secretary and other state officials were present. Tamil Nadu. Member of Sai Metric High Secondary School, Tamil Nadu State rendered a cleaning service at the local temple as a part of ongoing community service. About 42 Scout and Guides participated in the campaign. 78th Independence Day was celebrated on the state headquarters, Venlock Park, Chennai, presided over by the Mr. Anbil Mahesh Payamanji, Minister of School Education, Tamil Nadu and President of TNBSG. On 15th August 2024, he hosted the national flag and distribution certificate for the winners and various events that the state had organized in this year. In response to the recent natural disaster of Vietnam, the Sai Ram Bhai Scout and Guides District Association organized all-faith prayer at Sai Ram Institute across the Tamil Nadu on August 9, 2024. This invitation of aim to bring healing and relief to the affected regions. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh State celebrated 78th Independence Day state headquarters, region and district headquarters with a great enthusiasm. Tiranga Yatra and culture program were also organized on the occasion. Under the leadership of District Chief Commissioner Dr. Kamal Kaushik, the Office Bearer Mathura District Association Uttar Pradesh State, a meeting was organized at the district magistration on Shilendra Kumar Singh on August 8, 2024, discuss about the implementation and youth programs. On 9 August 2024, the district counseling meeting Agra district of Uttar Pradesh State was conducted under the leadership of Dr. Anil Vashisht, District Chief Commissioner, and MD Jain, Inter College Hari Pravat Agra. West Bengal. The Pushkarlal Kardia Scout and Guides Group celebrated Raksha Bandhan with VSF 118 Battalion HQ Alarm Buzzer in Kolkata. On August 18, 2024, Scout and Guides tied Arakhis to soldiers expressing gratitude and soldiering. Program coordinated by Ganesh Singh, thanks to country's border, police, BSF, soldiers and other officers. Western Railway. On 16th of August 2024, Vandodara District Association of Western Railway State organized the 31st blood donation camp under the leadership of Shri Abdul Sheikh Associate Scout at Pratapnagar Hospital Conference Hall from the morning 10 hours of 14th hours. DRM Shri Jitendra Singh, President Women Welfare Association Srimati Shweta Singh, ADRM and DCC Shri Sachdev Chand Balvera and other officials were present. 67 members donated their blood and total 1,550 unit blood was deposited in the hospital. West Central Railway. West Central Railway State conducting a Rajya Puraskar testing camp for Scout Guide Rover Ranger at the Higher Secondary School New Yard, Itasari, Madhya Pradesh from 21st to 23rd of August 2024. The testing camp are conducting under the leadership of Sri Rajan Kumar Singh, Associate Scout, Srimati Kamini Singh, Associate Guide, Sri Aminuddin Ansari, STC Scout and Ms. Savita Sharma, STC Guide are working as the chief examiners. Now let's move to the new age circle. Circle number 129, National Level Himalayan Trekking Cum Environment Awareness Program for Rover Ranger and Young Unit Leader at Hemkund Sahib and Valley of Flower, Uttarakhand. Circle number 130, National Membership Growth Summit. Circle number 131, National Level Workshop on Climate Change for Rover Ranger and Unit Leader. Circle number 133, Course for Assistant Leader Trainer 2024, CALT at Sarawak, Malaysia. Circle number 137, National Level President Scout Guide Rover Ranger Certificate Online Examination for the year 2022-23. Circular number 138, 139 and 140 National Level Service Camp cum workshop on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Clean India Environment and Karson YNC Gatpuri and TC Panchmari. Circular number 142 pending Rashtrapati Scout Guide Rover and Ranger Award certificate for year 2016 and 17. Circle number 146 Volunteer Leadership Placement 2024 Our Cadet VAX World Center. Circle number 147 Growth for Learning event by VAX and SGDF from 28 October to 2 November 2024. Circular number 149 Prime Minister Slide Competition for the year 2024-2025. Circle number 150 Up Rashtrapati Award Competition for the year 2024-25. Circular number 151 National Level Disaster Preparation for Management Training on Accident, First Aid and Resource for Rover and Rangers. Circular number 152 Gentle Reminder National Level President Scout and Guide Rover Ranger Certificate Online Examination for year 2022 and 23. Thank you.